pride and ownership across the country. Young men and women who once felt they had no future in Burkina Faso are now becoming engineers, technicians, and managers. For example, a young woman who once worked as a street vendor might now be operating a crane at a dam site. A young man who left for Europe to find work might return to program the AI systems for the smart grid. These stories are happening all over Burkina Faso as people see new opportunities opening up. The project is also attracting international companies. More than 40 green technology firms have set up offices near the dams, bringing new ideas and innovations. These companies are working on renewable energy solutions like solar panels and wind turbines that could make Burkina Faso a global leader in clean energy. Some are even calling the area around the dams the Silicon Valley of African energy because of all the technology and innovation happening there. These companies are hiring local workers, creating even more jobs and opportunities. The project's impact goes beyond construction and technology. The dams are powering new irrigation systems that allow farmers to grow crops year-round. In the past, Burkina Faso's dry climate made farming difficult, with droughts ruining harvests and leaving families hungry. Now, with electricity to run water pumps, farmers are growing high-quality crops like mangoes, tomatoes, and rice. These crops are being sold not just in local markets but in faraway places like Dubai and Europe. This is creating new income for families and turning Burkina Faso into an agricultural powerhouse. The $800 billion project is not just building dams, it's building a new economy and a new future for millions of people. The $800 billion project is doing more than just providing electricity. It's sparking an economic revolution. Every dam built, every cable laid, and every turbine installed is an opportunity for Burkina Faso and its neighbors to grow stronger. The jobs created by the project are giving people money to spend, which helps local businesses like shops, restaurants, and markets. As more people have jobs, the economy gets stronger, and new businesses can open from small startups to large factories. The project is also transforming other industries. The new irrigation systems powered by the dams are making farming more productive. Farmers can now grow crops even during the dry season, producing enough food to feed their families and sell the surplus. For example, a farmer in Burkina Faso's Sahel region might now grow enough tomatoes to supply markets in Nigeria or Ghana. This extra income is helping families build better homes, send their children to school, and invest in their communities. The country is also exporting crops to international markets, bringing in foreign currency that can be used to build schools, hospitals, and roads. The economic benefits are spreading beyond Burkina Faso. As the smart grid connects 15 West African countries, it's helping businesses across the region grow. Factories in Ghana can now run without worrying about power outages, allowing them to produce goods like clothing or electronics for export. Markets in Nigeria are buzzing with traders using digital apps to sell their products, thanks to reliable electricity. Schools in Mali are getting computers and internet access, giving students the tools to learn and compete in a global economy. This is creating a ripple effect, where one country's success lifts up its neighbors. The project is also attracting investors from around the world. Companies see the potential of West Africa's new energy hub and want to be part of it. They're setting up offices, hiring local workers, and bringing new technology to the region. For example, a tech company might open a factory to build solar panels, creating hundreds of jobs. A logistics firm might invest in trucks to transport crops from Burkina Faso to coastal ports. This influx of investment is creating even more opportunities, not just for Burkina Faso, but for all of West Africa. The $800 billion project is turning the region into a center of innovation, growth, and prosperity. When Captain Traore first announced the $800 billion project, many in the West didn't take it seriously. They thought a small, poor country like Burkina Faso couldn't afford or manage such a massive undertaking. Some even mocked the idea,